To change home screen wallpaper on Google Pixel 11, you can go to Settings on your phone. Over here in Settings, search for Wallpaper and Style. And then you should be able to go to More Wallpapers here below. Even if you have Lock Screen Preview, you can still tap on More Wallpapers, and then you should be able to choose the home screen wallpaper that you want to set. Of course, we have a bunch of different collections to choose from, so you can just try to find something for yourself. Let's say I'm gonna go to Community Lens, and let's say I'm gonna choose this picture over here. Now you will see the preview of the lock screen, but of course we can swipe to the home screen as well. You can tap on the preview, and now you should be able to adjust the zoom, and you can change the position of that wallpaper. So if you want to make some small adjustments, you can easily do so in here. Tap on this check in the upper right corner in order to apply these changes, and then we can go next. Now, since we want to change the home screen wallpaper, I assume that you want to set it just for the home screen. So we can uncheck the lock screen over here. So it's going to be, the wallpaper is going to be set only for the home screen, and we're gonna tap on Apply. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.